Hey there, so today we're gonna be unboxing Realme 3, but before that let's take a quick look at some of the distinguishing features between the Samsung Galaxy A20 and Realme 3. Realme 3 contains powerful processor, a 13 megapixel selfie cam, Corning Gorilla Glass, long-lasting battery. Galaxy A20 is equipped with the Samsung's 𝗟𝗓𝗓𝗓 processor and a Super AMOLED screen. That's all for now. Let's unbox and check out the phone. Realme phones come with the electronic warranty, phone case and user manuals. Inside the box, you have the charging USB data cable, a standard 2 ampere charging adapter. Well, I really was expecting a fast charger in that price. Realme introduced some gradient colors with the Realme 3 and calls it 3D gradient. It's still a plastic, doesn't feel cheap that much, but will attract fingerprints and scratches. Realme 3's front 13 megapixel AI selfie camera is said to have been better than selfie camera on Xiaomi Redmi Note 7 Pro. On bottom, there is a 3.5mm audio jack, micro USB port, microphone and audio speaker grills. The rear part of the phone houses the dual camera setup of 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel along with the dual tone LED flash. The front of the phone houses 6.2-inch bezel-less IPS display with one small curvy notch. The front glass is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3. The notification LED light on the Realme 3 is absent. The large non-removable 4232 mAh battery can be charged in an hour and will give you 37 hours talk time and will give you 13 hours video playback. Just like the Samsung multi-window feature, Realme 3 is equipped with the split screen feature. Realme phones have built-in screen recording feature that can be accessed from dashboard quick settings or swiping left from the corner of your home screen. Screen recording also allows audio recording that can be enabled from settings. ColorOS 6 offers great GUI performance with variety of themes available on store. The touch is like butter smooth and there should be no hiccup switching apps. The screen of Realme 3 offers punchy colors. The text looks sharp but images look smooth. The resolution is HD+, which is 720 × 1520 pixels, which seems quite enough for the budget phone. And if you are into high-end mobile gaming on a budget phone, the P70 octa-core chip with Mali G72 MP4 GPU on Realme 3 will give you an excellent gaming performance. My next video will be of PUBG gameplay on Realme 3. This is how it will look when you will charge your phone powered off. You might get Samsung and Xiaomi having high resolution display and 60 fps video capturing, but Realme is a low-cost phone having flagship-like user experience. That's it guys, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel. Until next time, see ya.